Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Did you know that carrots are best known superpowers? Did you know that beetroots increase our athletic workout performance? Did you know that potatoes are having 14 incredible benefits rich in tryptophan, an amino acid with natural sedative properties that helps calm the nerves? What if you get all the above ingredients in one sweet mithai without ghee, mawa, milk powder or condensed milk? Then continue watching this video till end to make the delicious sweet. We will be taking 1 measure of sugar, 1 measure of boiled potatoes peeled and grated, 1 measure of carrots and half a beetroot grated and finely ground mixture. Potatoes are an excellent source of vitamin C, potassium, fiber, vitamin B, copper, tryptophan, manganese. It also works wonders for curbing inflammation in the body and boost immunity and healthy blood circulation. Alkalizing and anti-inflammatory properties in potatoes soothe stomach and duodenum ulcers and reduce stomach acidity. They may also relieve the inflammation associated with arthritis. Add potatoes to your diet, but moderation is the key. Potatoes regulates blood pressure also. Carrots are superpowers and are rich in beta carotene, which protects the eyes from sun and lowers chances of cataracts. It prevents vision loss due to macular degeneration. It also keeps BP in check, lowers chances of heart diseases, helps ease constipation. The antioxidants present in carrots can lower the risk of cancer, as it has been proven to fight off harmful free radicals in your body, and that can make you less likely to have cancer. A word of caution for people with hypothyroidism, as they cannot change beta carotene to vitamin A. Also, too much of beta carotene can make your skin turn yellow-orange, condition known as carotenemia. Beetroots increases our athletic or workout performance. Mental and cognitive function naturally decline with age. For some, this decline is significant and may result in conditions like dementia. A reduction in blood flow and oxygen supply to the brain may contribute to this decline. Interestingly, the nitrates in beets may improve mental and cognitive function by promoting the dilation of blood vessels and thus increasing blood flow to the brain. Beets have been shown to particularly improve blood flow to the frontal lobe of the brain, an area associated with higher level thinking, such as decision making and working memory. Beets contain pigments called betalains, which have an anti-inflammatory properties. They are high in vitamin C, which is good for skin, protects from signs of aging such as wrinkles. Mix all above in a thick pan and continuously heat on medium flame. While mixing, take precaution not to let it burn from the bottom. A word of caution: beets contain high levels of oxalates and can contribute to the formation of gouts, which may cause extreme pain in the joints, so suggesting to consume lots of water. Those with unstable blood sugar levels must avoid beets, as they have a moderately high glycemic index. What is glycemic index? It is a measure of how quickly a food causes our blood sugar levels to rise. Glycemic index of beetroot is 61 and that of potatoes is 78. Beets should be avoided in pregnancy, as betaine in beets and nitrates may affect the expecting mothers and even the fetus. Here, adding some shredded almonds adds some crunch, fiber and gives good taste to the sweet. Cut into diamond shape and refrigerate for 6 to 8 hours and store in refrigerated conditions. This is a good energizer and should be consumed 2 hours before athletic performance. This video is made after a lot of online research and hard work to the best of my knowledge and that passed on from generations for the betterment of people in general. Now, here comes the disclaimer: individual health may differ from person to person, so the knowledge should be utilized at your risk. This video is made after about 70 hours of hard work. So, if you want to get more and lots of good information in one video in short time, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel and encourage me to make more such videos in innovative way. Thank you for sharing and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.